This is Ryan with Parts Doctor. In this video, I'm going to show you to replace the top right door hinge on your GE refrigerator. If you need to buy a new top right door hinge for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Before removing the hinge, tape the door in place to prevent it from falling. Remove the two screws holding the end cap in place using a 1/4 inch nut driver. Slide the end cap up and out. Then, using a 3/8 inch socket, remove the two bolts holding the hinge in place. Lift the hinge up and out. If you need to purchase a new top right door hinge, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You'll want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on the refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. To install, align the hinge to the retaining tabs on the housing and set in place. Then, reinstall the bolts. Insert the tab on the end cap, then press in place. Finally, reinstall the two screws and remove the tape. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this or these, please consider subscribing.